This is Brian Ghilliotti. I'm still in the Bushy Hill Nature Preserve area. By now I've conditioned myself to look for hilltops. And disappointed so far. I see right here, in my opinion, a perch stone. Others may say that this is just glacial deposit. Just so happens to be right next to it, there is what some people would say is a dolmen. Others would say a glacial erratic. They're right next to each other. It's overlooking a valley. An argument could be made that it is perhaps all glacial or erratic activity. You'll see these glacial boulders right here deposited. Would have been quite an interesting project to push this stone here. And right here there is a standing stone. I've yet to see if it is aligned with anything. It's definitely very interesting. Oh yeah, and look at that. A ceremonial cairn. From my understanding, Native Americans would erect these small stone piles as a act of homage and commemoration for something that they perceived as sacred. And here we are. And as you see, there's a lot more to be seen. I'll definitely shoot some more videos if I find anything else interesting. Get another side shot of this. Definitely interesting. All right.